I am so excited because I have partnered with FabFitFun for this video to give you my impression of the box, but all the opinions are my own. So what is it? FabFitFun is a subscription box that comes 4 times a year in the mail, and it includes tons of different items from fashion to beauty, wellness, and lifestyle. You get to customize it, which is cool. The best part about it is that each box is worth over $200, but only costs $49.99. But with my discount code, it's $39.99, so booyah! So let's get into this fall subscription box this year. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'm already excited. What should I do first? This is the GLAMGLOW Bubble Sheet. It's Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. It's gonna make your skin glow, detoxify, purify, do all that fun stuff. This kind of mask is different. It's not the one where you put a liquid on, it's an actual proper mask. It's also travel pack, and it's men and women, so you could do like a couples thing, honestly. If a guy is too much of a dude to wear a mask, I'm like, you're out. But this is it, I'm keeping this. I got the Luna Bar. So here's something that I always need. I always travel with some food. And then here's also more discounts if you like it. So that's kind of cool, that comes with the box. This is Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. Anything with grapefruit right now, I'm really into. It's just I am actually in need of an exfoliant, so I'm really excited about having this. Your skin, when you put this much on it, on top of all the sunscreen and bug spray I put on my skin, your skin just gets really tired. Oh, no. Listen, if your skin's looking glowing, everything else about you just makes you feel good. This is Blue and Capri Shower Gel, the Italian collection. Ooh, with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Ooh, this smells really, really nice. You know that smell when you go into like a really nice hotel and then you open up the soap and all of them just sound amazing, or like a really nice spa? Capri actually happens to be one of my favorite places in the world. It is so romantic. Funny story, I was there with a dude. He was gunning after me all year, studying abroad in Florence. And I totally fell for him in Capri, because how could you not? And then he left me for another girl. But I got a free trip out of Capri, so that was nice. Key towels. So funny, because this actually matches my kitchen. I have already like a gray mat, so this is perfect. And I get those things dirty, so it's like also less laundry for me when I'm home. With your subscription box, you can have things that are a little bit more customized. The COBRA Bluetooth, and I love it because it's white and rosé, because my favorite thing in the world is anything rosé besides the grapefruit. Well, grapefruit is rosé. Bluetooth headphones are a complete game changer when you're traveling, because you want to listen to music or whatever as you're boarding the plane, but you can't because you have everything, and so it's nice to have Bluetooth so you can be hands-free and go through the monotonous things of airport and luggage life. Alfred is actually a really big brand here in LA, like Starbucks, but meets a club. Seriously, the most beautiful people that I've ever seen in LA hang out at Alfred's. So I have this teapot from Alfred, and it even comes with this thing so you can make legit tea. You know, when you can actually put the tea leaves in there? Oh, there's nothing better than a mint tea leaf tea. There's nothing in there, but I'm already pretending that there's gonna be peppermint. This last one, ooh, it's Crown Pros Makeup Brushes. So every girl that's on the go needs a travel brush case. This is a really, really good starter kit. You got your powder, your blush, and then you have all these. So this is good. Oh, and I think there was one more thing. There you are. Ooh, there's more goodies. Okay, tip, always open up this thing. So here is a total eye cream with Echinacea Green Envy. It's called Do It All. You go through so many lotions when you're traveling because your face gets so dry, and ooh, I can already feel it. Oh gosh, it's like nice, it's like tingly. A powerful moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue in the eye contour area. Oh, it's made in Korea? Then you know it's good. They just have the beauty thing on lockdown. A beauty blender. So this helps you with putting on foundation and having it be really even. And again, you also lose these all the time, so it's good. And I love that it's all pink, it's all rose. Ah! Not only does the subscription include all the different products, but also content for living well, so fitness videos, cooking videos, and then they also have videos that go along with these. So like the Alfred Tea Pot, they actually have a video to show you how to use it. Just a really good, kind of feel-good company. I really, really like all these products. If you want to get your own FabFitFun box, I do have that discount code, so you can get over $200 of products for 40 bucks. Technically under 40 bucks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which product you like the most, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.